Hi, it's Fia's Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your general and love read for the month of September. Okay, so again and again, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, and ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so yes, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Meron tayong ring, necklace, bracelet. Okay, so ito sila. Again, flex ko sila palagi. Dahil tayo ay nadadagdagan every minute, every hour, umaga, gabi, tanghali, diba? Tayo ay nadadagdagan. So, yeah, thank you. Diba? So, ito yung ating available po na evil eye protection. Ito lang po, ha? So, meron tayo nitong dalawa na sample ng bracelet. This is garterized. Ito naman yung adjustable. Yung ring natin is adjustable. Yung ating necklace, meron siyang extender. Okay, ito yung extender niya. Hindi masyado makita. So, extender niya, 16 to 18 inches. Okay, kasama yung extender. And, yeah, non-tarnish. And lahat po ito ay unisex. Okay? And, syempre, the big three. So, unahin natin to. So, ito yung nag-aalis. Okay? Ng kung anumang alat na parang pakaramdam nyo. Is parang talaga naman. 'Di ba? Dinadig pa talaga ang ayaw natin sabihin yung salitang yon, no? Yung MALAS, ayaw natin nun. So, ito siya yung magsisilbing parang harang, and siya rin yung mag-aalis, no? Nang sabihin natin kung kayo ay meron na ng kaalatan, no, sa buhay. So, ito siya ay mag-aalis. Pwede sa'yo, sa business mo, sa bahay. Okay? And ito naman yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So, hindi lang for love, kundi for money rin. So, magnet ng good energies pagdating sa love and money. Merong citrine stone, okay? Mag-a-act siya as money magnet. Okay? The merchant stone na sinasabi. So, madalas ginagamit talaga ng mga nagbi-business yung stone na yon. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? And yes, yung ating granter. So, si granter necklace. So, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. And tagapagbigay ng surprises at least twice per week. Okay? So, ano po ba yung pwedeng ipag-grant? Ano po ba yung pwede dyan? Kahit ano na gusto mo, wag lang masama. Okay? Wag lang masama, please. Ayaw natin yon, ha? So, cleansing kit available. So, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, mag-a-act siya as charger ng ating mga charms and kung anumang crystals na meron kayo. Okay? So, direction for use sa PM na lang. Diba? So, ano bang meron for our Gemini placements ngayong September? Anong meron for you? Unahin mo natin general for you, Gemini. Anong meron for our Gemini placements this September? Okay. Justice in reversed. I don't like that. So, anong card mo? Okay? We don't do injustice. No? Okay? Justice in reversed. What's that? The Chariot. Okay. So, if you're dealing with legal issues ngayon, by September, nakikita ko na merong ongoing, o sabihin natin may mapaprocess, may tatakbo, may gugulong muli, no? I don't know, may marireopen na kaso, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, What's with this Justice in reversed? Specific. Yeah, sabi na nga ba. Okay, lovers. So, avoid ninyo third-party connection this month. Kahit naman sabihin natin hindi ngayong buwan lang. Okay, kasi pwedeng mag-progress to. Okay po, pwedeng mag-progress. Kung kayo ay hindi handa, kasi pwedeng lumalim to eh. Pwedeng lumalim po. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo handa sa ganyan, then, avoid nyo na. Umpisa pa lang. Okay? That's you. That's your energy. Lovers. Okay? So, what else? What else for Gemini? The Magician. Yeah. Nakikita ko to kanina pa sa aking utak. Anyway, the Magician. Let's do that. The 7 of Wands. Ito specific. Some of you, if you're working like talaga namang wala nang alisan sa monitor, I'm sensing, sabihin natin, ang dami na trabaho. Sobrang daming trabaho. Okay? Meron din ako nakikita rito na medyo may kaunti ang issue pagdating sa transactions. Online transactions. I'm hearing multitasking this September. There's this opportunity coming in. Pwede may mag-manifest ngayon na something na ginugusto mo, pero meron ditong nagbablock. May nagbablock or may nagpe-pending ng minamanifest mo na dapat mamamanifest na ngayong September. So, who is this person blocking you? Who is this person? Number 8 could be significant. I don't know what's with that number. Number 8 could be significant. So, what's with this? The sun in reverse, yeah. Ito yung blockage. Could be a Leo. This person is jealous. Okay? Ayaw nito na malalamangan siya. Gagawa at gagawa ito ng kung ano man para masabotahe ka. You see? The devil. If you're doing something wrong or sabihin natin hindi tama, pwedeng yun ang mag-cause ng blockages pagdating sa sarili mo. Okay? Ito sa pwedeng ma-manifest this September. I don't know kung ano yun. That's too specific para sabihin ko. So, what else? What else? For you, Gemini, this September. 9 of Coins in reversed. Materials. Materials. I'm hearing materials. That's with this 9 of Coins in reversed. The Hanged Man in reversed. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Kakaskas na naman tayo dito. Yeah, kakaskas na naman tayo. Ano po yun? The credit cards. The credit cards. Be careful. You have here the Ace of Swords in reversed. Kasi nakikita ko dito parang walang humpay na gastos. Walang humpay na gastos this month of September. Page of Cups. So, kung ano lang na magustuhan, kahit hindi naman dapat or hindi naman important. Yeah, the Five of Wands. Just be careful, okay? Pagdating sa paggastos ngayong buwan. Okay, I'm seeing conflicts. Yeah. Anyway, pera nyo naman yan, then go. Anyway, so, tayo tumungo sa person on your mind. The person on your mind, Gemini. Anong kailangan mong malaman dyan sa person mo? So, sino ba to? Sino itong taong ito, Gemini? Who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Oo. Syempre. Okay. So, who is this, Gemini? This person, you're thinking the Ace of Coins in reversed. A missed opportunity. I'm hearing a missed opportunity with the person. I'm hearing rejection. Ace of Coins in reversed. The Sun. Yung energy ng person is like magnetic or sabihin nating I don't know. Ang nakuha ko sa kanya, Gemini, pwedeng talagang parang nakaka-magnet, no? Oo, yung energy niya. Pero, I don't know kung ni-reject ka nito. Or nagkaroon kayo ng missed opportunity. Yeah, the Two of Cups is here in reversed. Maybe there's this, sabihin nating physically or emotional distance sa ngayon, sa inyo. Okay? You feel drawn sa kanya. Yeah. Andun yung energy na parang nasayangan ka. Parang nasayangan ka sa taong to. Okay? Maybe you can't offer this person anything. Pwedeng may mga dahilan kung bakit. So, ano bang meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, Gemini? Could be a Leo. We have here sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? The Nine of Swords in reversed. Na hindi masyadong kailangan ipagkaisipin itong connection or itong sitwasyon na to. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Why? The Four of Wands. Sino dito ang nasa connection na? Sino dito ang nasa connection na? We have here the Four of Wands. Yeah, the Devil in reversed. This is sabihin nating attachments or LUST, yeah, the last. Or sabihin nating attraction. Nandyan lang yung attraction. Gusto mo lang na may mangyaring something sa inyo ng taong to. Hindi naman ganun na kailangan pakaisipin kasi ang nakikita ko dito, somebody's involved. What's this, Gemini? What is their emotion for you? What is their emotion for you? The Five of Coins in reversed. Well, the need. Okay. I think they need you. Why the Five of Coins in reversed? The Two of Cups in reversed. They need this connection. They just need the connection, not the label. Some of you tagu to eh. Okay? Some of you tagu ito. Or sabihin natin, ito some of them may anak. Pwedeng may anak sila. Hindi mo masyadong sabihin natin nandun yung seryoso na kung ano man, okay lang na nireject ka nito, mga ganyang bagay, kasi somebody is already in a commitment. Could be you, could be them. Their emotion, they just want this connection. Pero the Two of Cups is here. The feeling is not mutual. Okay? Pwedeng kung ang nararamdaman mo dito is lust. Pwedeng iba yung sa kanila. Okay? Could be the benefits. Yeah. Utak ang nagana. Utak. So, totoo lang, sabihin natin attracted din itong taong to sa'yo. Yes. Attracted din, pero kailangan ka lang nila talagang i-reject, I think. They know how to play cool. Okay. So, anong pwedeng mangyari sa inyo nitong taong to this September? Anong pwedeng mangyari sa inyo ng taong to this September? Oh no. The Empress. Pregnancy. Ayaw natin ng pregnancy. Kung ganito ang sitwasyon. Kung hindi pwede. Okay? May chance na may ma-preggibles this September. Okay? The Empress. Why? What's with that Empress? The King of Wands. Yeah, this is sex. This is just sex. Okay, so kung ayaw nyo ng isa pang sakit sa ulo, okay, kung meron na kayong mga sakit sa ulo, kinaka-stressan, huwag na nang dagdagan pa. Gusto nyo lang machuk-chak itong taong to, I think. Okay? You want kids, maybe? With this person, pero hello, nag-iisip ka ba? Mga ganun bagay. Anyway, let's see. Kasi pwedeng hindi rin naman sinasadya kung magkaroon ng pregnancy dito. Anong outcome for the rest of for the whole month of September nung meron? The Nine of Wands in reversed. And the Judgment in reverse. Kakalasan mo rin naman Meron ka lang gustong ma-experience sa taong to, I think, Gemini. Itong taong to, hindi malayo na ma-attach. Okay, hindi malayo na ma-attach. I'm seeing here third parties, ha? Okay, the Five of Wands. This is drama, problems, arguments. Kakalasan mo rin naman, So, paano? Kung magkakaroon ka man ng kung ano man na maipunla or what? If may mangyaring pregnancy dito, paano? Okay? Gusto mo lang tong taong to. Sa tingin ko, pwedeng siya yung ganun sa'yo. Parang gusto lang ma-XP. Yeah. Pwede kasing, I just need something like a challenge or counting spice pagdating sa ibang connection. Yeah, may connection, kung ano man ang connection na meron ako is too boring. Parang ganon. What? This is BS. This is BS. I hate this reading. I hate this. Okay, so let's see. All signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, I don't know. Aries. They're mad. They're sad. Taurus, sneaky. Gemini, pwedeng may magsimula dito. May mag-start. Cancer, they have plans for you. Strategies. Yeah. Okay. So, Leo, they're trying to let you go. Okay? Detached. So, Virgo, they're in a hurry. They're in a rush. Parang ganyan. Parang may pagmamadali si Virgo. Libra, they're stalking you right now. Scorpio, there could be issues, conflicts. There's this misunderstandings. Parang may mga ganyang bagay. Sagittarius, sabihin natin short-term connection with a Sag. Capricorn, you're their wish fulfillment, or you are their wish fulfillment. Aquarius, they're isolating from you, isolating themselves, isolating sa sitwasyon. Parang iniiwasan niya muna, okay, kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Pisces, they're busy. They're too busy. Okay? Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you. Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.